Hello folks, it's nice being with you today. In our video tutorial for today, we are going to look at the arithmetic progression. Now we're going to also look at the question on compound interest. But because these questions are going to be so lengthy, what we are going to do is that we are going to look at the solution to the arithmetic progression first. Then in our subsequent video, we'll look at the solution to question 18, which is going to be a question on compound interest. If this is your first time coming on this seeing our video, I want you to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be the first person to get notified once our subsequent videos are being published. Now, to make sure that we solve the first question, we are going to go straight to a solution to the first question. And the first question says the first and the last term of an arithmetic progression are minus 2a and 38 respectively. You're asked to determine the number of them if its common difference is minus 5. Now, take note of that. It's going to be an important question, and we are going to look at the solutions to this question right now. Now, we want to look at one full logical reasoning you must follow when solving any question that has to do with calculation. The first thing you ask yourself is, what are the parameters that are given to me? Now, in this question, the parameters given is the first term and the last term, and also the common difference. The next question you ask yourself is, what am I looking for? What am I asked to look for? Now you're asked to look for the number of terms, right? Good. The next question that should come into your mind is, what is the formula for finding the number of terms of an arithmetic progression? Now that will take you to the nth term of an arithmetic progression, which is the formula for solving the question on arithmetic progression. Now we're going to look at these three steps gradually and then see how we can apply these three steps to find solutions to this question. The first term, we are given our a to be equal to what? Minus 2a. And we are told that our nth term, which is the last term, is equal to what? 38 what? A, right? And we're also told that our common difference is equal to 5a. And finally, we are asked to look for the number of 10, which is the parameters we are looking for. Now, the formula for an nth term is what? Un, the nth term of an arithmetic equation is un equal to a plus bracket n minus 1 close bracket what? P. Now, having gotten that formula, all you need to do is you find out that the whole parameters for that formula are all given except n, which is the parameter we are looking for. So we insert these parameters into the formula. The last term is what? 38a, and that will be equal to, the first term is equal to 2a, right, plus bracket n minus 1, then close bracket 5 what? A. Very good. Now, what we need to do is to simplify further. We'll take a to this part, and that will make it what? 38a minus crosses an equal to sign becomes plus, and that will be plus 2a. This will be equal to n minus 1 close bracket 5 what? A. Now, if you simplify the right-hand side of this equation, you're going to have a 40 what? 40a to be equal to, now 5 will multiply everything in the bracket, and that will give us 5 times 5a times n, that will give us 5an minus 1 times 5a, that will give us minus 5 what? A. Now we'll simplify further. Remember, minus 5a crosses equal to sign. We're going to have 40a plus what? 5a, and that will be equal to what? 5an. So 40a plus 5a is going to give us 45a, right? And that will be equal to what? 5an. So can you notice that our answer is coming out gradually. Now, one thing you ask yourself is something is common between these two parts of the equation, the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Do you notice that A is common? Fine, good. A is common. And do you notice that 5 is common? Good. So that shows us that 5A is common and we are looking for the parameter n. So all we need to do is to divide both sides by what? By 5A, which is what? The common term. So this will give us what? 5A. So if you notice, 5A will cut 5A here and we'll have our n remaining at that end. And what do we have here? A will cut A and we'll be left with what? 45 divided by what? 5. And 45 divided by 5 will give us what? 9. So you see our what? Our n is equal to what? Is equal to 9. Do we have that in the option? Option A, fine, we have it in the option, and that is option C. 9 is the correct option to this question. So you see how easy it was solving question on arithmetic progression. In this question, which is an objective question, you are meant to spend no less than 30 seconds, 40 seconds in this question. So you have to be pretty fast. All you need to do is to know the parameters you are given, know the parameter you are requested to look for, and finally get the formula, insert the parameters, and find your solution. Boom, your solution will appear on your paper. If you like this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button so that our subsequent video, which is going to be on compound interest, question number 18, will be notified once they are published. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you watch our subsequent videos.